lens maker. Lens maker for for, for this is a lens marker formula. Marker formula. Now I'm going to explain lens marker formula. In this, I'm going to explain derivation of lens marker formula. So first, I will take the lens. Lens is this is a lens. This is a lens. So what type of lens this was? This is a convex lens. This is a we call principal axis. This is optic center. It is denoted by the field. This is optic center. It is denoted by field. Now this is object. Object O is the object. That object placed on principal axis. Principal axis. This is a NA is equal to NA. Refractive index of A. Refractive index of A. This is NB. This is a NB. Refractive index of the lens or glass. It is made up of the glass. Whatever. This is also basically NA. Refractive index of A. This is lens. Lens is placed. Lens places in a refractive index of A. Refractive index of A. Next, this is object. This object passes ray. One ray goes side. One ray goes side. This is a ray strikes on at A point. Ray as refracted at A point. Refracted at to A point. Again, it is refracted at B point. Again, the ray as refracted at to B surface. This is a light ray. Light ray travels this direction and strike on convex surface. Convex surface. It is strikes on convex surface, and this is refracted. The ray as refracted at A point. Again, the ray as refracted at B surface. B surface, and this ray goes straight. Meet at this point. Meet at this point. And one ray is passes this. One ray is passes parallel to the principal axis. Both the refracted ray meet at this point. Image form here. From here to Aries, this is from here to Aries, this is X. They call object. This is a P. This is a Q point to M. So P point M. From here to Aries, this is the object distance. That is U. We are taking U. So this is distance is image distance. So for this object, this is the object. This is a image. This is a image formed here. Image formed here. Formula here. Now you will see PO. This is the object distance. PO object distance is equal to U. The ray travels this direction. Direction of incident ray. This is the direction. Direction of distance is both are in opposite direction means negative. Both are in opposite direction means negative. This is the direction of incident ray. This is the direction of distance. Both are in same direction. PQ we are taking that is positive X. That is image distance. We are calling this. Image distance is equal to B is equal to X. B is equal to X square. So this is a, do you know, this is a convex surface. Convex surface, this is a radius is R1. R is equal to R1. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is, this is origin point. We are taking, this is R1 is positive. R1 is positive. R1 is positive. This is a positive. So next, what I'm going to do here. So we know curved surface formula. Derivation of curved surface. Derivation of curved surface formula is n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by, this is r. This is a derivation of curve. Derivation of curve. Light ray start from radar medium. Now n1 is equal to, I'm taking n1 is equal to nu. Next n2 is equal to, I'm taking np. Light travels from in medium. This is a medium. Now all values put in this situation. So this is a what type of this one? Concave surface. Concave surface is option. Concave surface is option. Surface is concave surface is there is no concave surface. There is no concave surface. There is no concave surface. Concave surface. There is no concave surface. All values put in this equation. So n2 means nb. V means v. V means x minus n1 means na by u means minus q is equal to n2 means nb, na means n1 by radius of curvature is positive. Radius of curvature is positive. nb by x minus to minus plus na by u is equal to nb minus na. This is na by r. There is a by. This is equation number 1. We are equation number 1. Next point. Next. So this is a Q. This is a Q. So Q is a image. Q is a image. Image for concave surface. Concave surface. So this is image act as object for convex surface. Convex surface. Convex surface. This is a Q. This is a Q. So this is a Q is a image for convex surface. Convex. Q is the image for convex surface, concave surface. This image acts as the object for convex surface. Convex surface. Now what will happen? This is object. This is object for which lens? This lens. For this lens, what happen? What will happen? This is a radius of curvature R. This is a R. So now take this. So this is act as object for this part. Image will be formed here. Image formed here. Image formed here. So from here to here is the distance from here to here is this is a, we are taking, this is a B. This is a B. Now I'm going to take that. I'm going to take for that one. So for that one, I'm taking PQ. PQ is equal to X is equal to, we are taking, that is object distance U. So next PI, we are taking I. PI is equal to, we are taking V. V is first. This is also first. Next, the radius of curvature is minus R2. R2, we are. Light travels from, first one is N1 is equal to, we are taking NB. N2 is equal to, we are taking, that is the NA. That is the N. That is the N. all values put in this equation. All values put in this equation. What we are getting? What we are getting? All values put in this equation. Okay. This all values put in this equation. N2 means NA. By V means what is the V? V minus and N1 by U. N1 means NB by U means that is the U. X is equal to N2 minus N1. N2 means NA minus NB by radius of curvature minus R. Minus. So this is you see NA by V minus NB by X is equal to minus take upside. NB minus NA by I'm going to write this is R2. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. This is equation number 2. So next step. So we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. We add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we are equation number 1 and equation. So 1 and 2 we are. 1 and 2 we are. So what is the 1 and 2 equation? What is the 1 and 2? Equation number 1. NB by X plus NA by U plus NA by B minus NB by X is equal to NB minus NA 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. See, NA plus NB by X minus NB by X cancels. See, NA by U plus NA by B is equal to NB minus NA 1 by R1 plus 1 by R. And divide the NA. Divide the NA. Divide the both sides of the equation NA. So 1 by NA. 1 by NA. Divide both sides of the equation. So NA divide both sides of the equation. So NA by NA U plus NA by NA B is equal to NB by NA minus NA by NA 1 by R1 plus 1 by R. This is so NA cancel each other. NA cancel it. So this is a 1 by U plus 1 by B is equal to, this is a NBA. We are going to write to NBA minus 1. This is a 1 by R1 plus 1 by R. This is the equation. This is a length maker from. So 1 by B plus 1 by U is equal to NBA minus 1. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is a length maker form. This is a length maker. V means image distance. U means object distance. N means refractive index of length with respect to A. Refractive index of A. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 plus 1 by. This is a length maker. So once again, I'm going to explain this. lens, lens markers, lens markers. Here, lens markers formula means we're going to prove that. So 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to refractive index of minus 1 by r1 plus 1 by, that is we are going to prove that one, this equation. So minus, this is we are going to solve. Solve. Okay, so we are going to show that one, this one. This is actually plus, we are showing this one. So 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to n refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 plus 1 by r. So this is a lens maker. This is a lens convex lens. This is a convex because this is a principal axis. This is the optic center. Center of lens is called as optic center. It is denoted by letter P. It is denoted by P. This is the O point object. Object keeps on principal axis. This is the radius R1. This is a radius R2. One ray travels along principal axis. It goes straight. It is undeviated. Ray, this is a light ray. Light ray strikes on convex surface. Convex surface. So it is the ray as refracted at a point. Refracted at a point. The ray has refracted again B point. That ray, refracted ray, reaches on principal. Principal axis. This is the point. Point. This is object for this convex. This is object for this line. Only this is we are taking this. We are taking this is a convex surface. Here concave surface is absent. Concave surface is absent. Concave surface is absent. This is object for convex surface. This is the image for convex surface. From here to here is this is u object to distance. From here to here is this is the image the distance x is equal to b. X is equal to b. From here to here. Now you see this is a NA, refractive index of air. This is a refractive index of the lens. Refractive index of the lens. This is a refractive index of the air. This lens places in a refractive index of air. Refractive index of air. Now we will see PO. PO means PO object to distance, that is U. Incident ray travels this direction. This is the direction of distance. Both are in opposite direction. Sign is taken as negative. Next to PQ. This is a PQ. This PQ indicates the image distance. This is the distance of image. This is the direction of incident. Both are same direction means positive sign is taken.
Right.
Now R is equal to R1. We are taking first. This is a length. We are taking this is a circle. This is a central point. This is a radius. We are taking first. Now light travels from NA. N1 is equal to we are taking NA. N2 is equal to we are taking NB. NB. We know this is a formula. What is the formula? Curved surface formula. So what is the curved surface formula? N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by radius of curvature. This all values put in this equation, you will get to some. So this is N2 means NB by V means what is the V? V means here V minus N1 means N1 means NA by U means minus U. This is N2 V minus NA by radius of curvature R1 plus R1 plus R1. This is NB by V minus NA by minus to minus plus, that is U is equal to NB minus NA by, that is R1, that is equation number 1. Equation number. So next, this is a concave surface is also concave. There is no concave surface. Concave surface. There is no concave surface. There is no concave surface. This one. Next, second part. Next. So this is, I'm taking this surface. This is surface. Q is a image. Q is image for convex surface. Convex surface. Convex surface. Convex. Q is image for convex surface. But this is act as object for concave surface. Concave surface. Concave surface. Concave surface. This is act as a object. This is act as a object. Image is formed here. Image is formed here. This is from here to here. This is image formed. Image formed. Now PQ is equal to X is equal to U. U is formed. Next, PI taken as a positive for V. Next, radius of curvature or is equal to minus R. Yes, we are taking. So next, light travels from inside to outside. Inside to outside. N1 is we are taking NB. N2 is we are taking NB. This is now all values put in this equation. That is N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to. This is the general formula reflective index of the derivation of curved surface. Derivation of curved surface general formula. This is the general. So N2 means what is the N2? NA by V means what is the V? V minus N1 means B by U means U means X. X is equal to N2 minus N2 means what is the N2? NA minus NB by radius of curvature is minus R. Minus R. This is a NA by V minus this is a NB by X is equal to, this is a minus take upside. This is a NB minus NA by R2 we are going to write. This is equation number 2. This is equation. So we add first equation and second equation. So NB N suffix B by B plus N suffix A by U plus Na by b minus nb by x is equal to nb minus na 1 by r1 plus 1 by 1 by this is you see so nb by v nb by so you see this is a pq pq is the object that is u is equal to x pi means v r is equal to or well in this equation in this equation v means what is the v v ne u means yes or I will see in this equation. So what happened here? NB. What is the NB? 33 NA. Now this is we are taking. So this is x. We are taking x plus b is equal to x. Here we are taking x. We are taking x. This is x both sides. This is a minus nb by x. This is a plus nb by x. Cancel. 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 Now this is na by u plus this is na by b is equal to nb minus na 1 by r1 plus 1 by r. So divide the both side of the equation 1 by na 1 by na. So na cancel 1 by u plus 1 by v 1 by v is equal to this is na by na minus na by a. So cancel each other 1 by r1 plus 1 by r. 1 by r. This is a 1 by u plus 1 by b plus 1 by u is equal to this is I'm going to write nba minus 1. This is a 1 by r1 plus 1 by r. 1 by r. This is the unit. That is fun. This is a formula. So we apply the sign convention. Sign convention. How can we apply the sign convention? We know Lenz's formula. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by u. This is a Lenz's formula. So minus this is a minus. So we know this is equation. This is equation. Length formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by so minus this is a multiply the minus both sides of the equation. Minus. So minus is multiply the both sides of the equation. This is a minus. Apply the sign convention. This is not minus here. Take it, don't take here. Apply the sign convention. So applying sign convention. Sign convention. Sign convention. This is a minus q. This is minus q. Radius of curvature for this one is r minus q. Or this sign convention you can apply. This is a minus 1 by u plus 1 by v. So v is positive, both side of the positive. V is here positive, here also positive, here also positive. Next, this is NVA minus 1. So 1 by R1. R1 is positive. We are taking this is a 1 by R1 positive. Next, plus what is the sign convention for this one? This is R2 minus 1 by minus R2 minus R2. This is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to, this is NBA minus 1. This is 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by, so this is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is, we are going to write 1 by F. 1 by F is equal to, this is NBA minus 1. This is 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is your lens maker. This all well, UV is negative. UV is negative. Applying your minus. Next, V is positive. V is positive. And next, R1 is positive. R1 is positive. R1 is positive. Next, you see in this, UV is positive in this situation. Actually, object is at the side. We are taking only object is outside. Next, this is a positive. This is also positive. Next, minus R2, minus R2. So all equation, all sign convention is applied for this one. You are getting that is a equation. This is a very important. That is a lens maker form. This is a derivation of lens maker form. Means lens maker form. Lens maker. Lens maker form. In this, this is a NA means NA. So what is the meaning of NA? NA means refractive index of A. NB means refractive index of the lens. Lens is made up of the glass or water, whatever. So this is the lens. Lens places in a refractive index of the air. Refractive index of the air. Object is placing on principal axis. Object placing on principal axis. This is the center of lens. It is called as optic center. It is denoted by the field. See, this is the R1, radius of R. This is the radius of R. Radius of R. So object is here placed on principal axis. This object pass two rays. One ray travels this direction, and this ray strikes on convex lens. The time contour lens is offset. This is offset. This is offset at this time. This ray travels from radar to denser, means it is bending towards the normal. Towards the normal. Meet at this. One more ray travels along the principal axis. Two rays meet at this point. Image formed here. Convex surface. O is object for the convex surface. Q is image for the convex surface. Convex surface. This is U indicates object distance. V indicates image distance. PO means U. This is the direction of incident ray. Distance measured from optic center to O. This is the direction of incident ray. This is the direction of distance. Both are in opposite direction. Negative sign is taken. PQ. This is P and Q. Distance from optic center to position of the Q. That is image distance. Direction of image, direction of image, direction of incident ray, both are same direction. Positive sign is taken here. This is the radius of curvature. You can extend this one. You can extend this one. You can extend this direction. This is a waterproof. This one convex surface. Now taking this radius of curvature is from here is a distance. Radius of curvature is a. There is no concave surface. There is no concave. Light travels from radar to denser. N1 is taken as refractive index of air. N2 is taken as N2, N2 is considered as refractive index of the beam. Refractive index of beam. This all values put in this equation. What is the meaning of this equation? This is a derivation of curved surface. Derivation of curved surface. N2 by this is V minus N1 by UV is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. It's all values put in this equation. V means X, U means minus U, and N2 means B, N1 means NA by R means radius of curvature, R1 is first. NB by X minus U minus plus NA by U is equal to NB minus NA by R1 is taken as equation. That is the equation. So this is Q is actually image for the convex surface for this convex surface. That means act as, this is very important. Act as object for concave surface. For a concave surface. For concave surface means this for this for this. So act as a concave surface. PQ is positive, PI is equal to B, R is equal to minus R2, N1 B, N2 B, NA. This all values in this equation. You are getting equation number, and add the equation number 1 and equation number 2, you are getting this one. And next, to divide the 1 by NA, both sides of the equation. 1 by NA, divide both sides of the equation, you are getting this one. So, do you know length formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus U. Apply the sign convention. We know apply the sign convention for that one. Sign convention. U is negative and V is positive. R1 is positive, R2 is negative. So we are getting this one. So 1 by F is equal to NB minus 1 by R1 minus 1. Say F means calculate of the length. This is the convex length. Is F is taken as positive, and N means refractive index of length with refractive index of the glass with respect to refractive index of the air. R1 means that is radius of curvature for the one lane. R2 means radius of curvature of the another curved surface. This is a lens maker formula. Lens maker formula. Now we are going to do the next formula. You think this is a lens. You see it? 1 minute. we are going to solve the next problem. So next, we are going to solve the problem. The next problem, question number, example 7. Example, so in this given, the given data, given. So what is focal length of double convex lens kept in air with two spherical radius R1 is equal to 30 centimeters, R2 is 60 centimeters. Take refractive index of the lens is n is equal to 1.5. 1.5. So double concave lens. Double concave lens. This is a concave. Concave R1, R2. So what is focal length of the double convex lens? Focal length. We want to find out. Yes, we want to. See the figure also given. This is a principal axis. This is a 2F1. This is a F2. Taken as positive this side. Light rays are coming. Light rays coming. 10 points. This is coming. This is given. This is given. This is. Now we know very well. So what is the lens maker formula? 1 by F is equal to N B to A minus 1. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is R1 means this is R1, this is R2, this is N reference. We are finding for R1 means what is on? Keep in your mind, this is always for concave lens. Concave lens. Focal length of the concave lens. Focal length of the concave lens. Focal length of the convex lens is always negative. Focal length of the concave lens is always negative. Our answer also we will get in minus. we are getting. Now you see, so this is a 3F1. We are calling this is a 3F1 means this is a T1, center of 1. This is a 3F2 means this is CG. Distance from here to here is this is the radius of a vector. From here to here is we are calling this is the R2. That is a R2. That is a R2. Now 1 by F is n minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R. So this is the direction of incidence. This is the direction of incidence. This is the direction of this. Both are in the opposite direction. We are taking negative. R1 is negative. R1 is equal to minus 37. R1 becomes minus 30. Next, this is the direction of incident ray. This is the direction of this. Both are in the same direction. Means we are taking R3 is or values put in this equation. So 1 by F is equal to n means what is n? 1.5 minus 1 by R1. R1 means minus 30 minus 1 by R2 means 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters. So 1 by F is equal to 1.5 minus 1 means 0.5. That's 0.5. Here, the 30 comma 60 take LCM. 31, 32. So what is the value? 60. So minus 0 will cancel. 32 minus 2 minus 61. So 1 by F is equal to 0.5. This is a minus 3 by 6. 3, 1, 3. 1 by F is equal to 0.5. 0.5 minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6. So we are going to write this is 5 by 10 into minus 1 by 2. 5 1 5 minus 1 by 4. This is 1 by F. 1 by F. F by 1 is equal to this is minus 40 by 40 by, and we are going to write 40. Focal length is 40. This is your answer. So we are going to problem like this. We are going to solve this problem. Okay. So we have to see this is F1 or F2, whatever, but the rays are traveling this direction, so it will be divergent. This is F1. It is divergent transit. It is divergent transit. Allow me to at this point. Allow me at this point. Image form here. From here to your is 2F1. R1 means what is the R1? R1 means what is R1? R1 30 centimeters. Okay. This is your so minus indicates this minus. This is minus indicates divergent. So minus indicates divergent. This is your. We are going to solve like this. Now you see next one. So activity 2. The lens is actually the lens. Focal length of the lens depends upon medium. Focal length of the lens depends upon focal length of the lens depends upon medium. So it is focal length of the lens depends upon medium. Suppose the lens keeps in air. The lens keeps in air. Next, the lens keeps inside the water. inside the water. So what is the focal length of lens kept in the air? So what is the focal length of the lens kept in your water? We have to find. So we are getting different values means the length depends upon medium. Suppose we are getting the same focal length means we are getting the same focal length means same focal length means same focal length means we are getting the same focal length means length does not depend upon the medium. We have to take. We have to take that action. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain that action. Thank you. Thank you.